Laszlo Betyar, we didn't scare you away either. Round two. How are you?
Claire. Yeah, I did fine. Showed
Good.
the house last time and it sold, so
Awesome.
thank you very much.
So we're back. What do you have here in Carlsbad? It's a beautiful home.
Yeah, 1705 Tamarack Avenue. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a large 2-car garage, 1918 square feet plus a room addition. It was built in 1972, and yeah, what you see there in this photo is solar panel on the back. The owner in 2017 put in new solar, new air conditioning, new heating, and the solar system saves them about $150 a month in energy. That's like a $30,000 saving in the price of the home.
Yeah, you can't beat that. I mean, solar, that's the way we're moving, so let's go inside.
Oh, they also put in a bunch of skylights throughout the house.
I love that.
And so what you see in the kitchen there is natural lighting. All the cans are off. There's also can lighting in there for the evenings.
Okay.
But what you see there also is a full backsplash, raised panel finish, like furniture finish cabinetry, and on the back to the right there's a walk-in pantry.
That backsplash is killer. And
oh, the living room. So this house
Wow.
faces north on the living room side. So what the owner did is he opened up this huge dormer up top, makes the room feel a lot bigger. And he was an artist too, and he did a lot of art glass. And there's art glass and skylights throughout the house.
So light and bright. And this is a single story?
Single story, 1918 square feet. So that's the other shot of the living room, and in the living room, in the back there, you see a skylight that lights up the travertine floor. It's fine quality travertine floor, and a wet bar, a built-in wet bar in the entryway.
Hey, you don't even have to walk far to get to the bar.
Walk in, say howdy, go to the bar.
There you go.
So this is a master, and to the right, that archway leads to the bathroom and a closet and the door to the back. There's another closet there, and then there's indirect lighting, can lighting, and the fan light. All the bedrooms have fan lights, and in addition to that, the owner's got some neat features like a whole house fan to suck the hot air out on a hot summer night. And there's a built-in vac, a central vac in the house as well. It's pretty neat. So there's dual sinks in the extra one of the second or third bath. Dual sinks with the same fine cabinetry as the kitchen. And you don't see, but on the other side of this bathroom is a deep jacuzzi-type tub, jetted tub for lounging after you finish with your margaritas when you enter the house.
Amen. You got the wet bar, you need the soak tub.
Yeah. This is one of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms have fan lights. The bedrooms are pretty big for a house that was built in '72. This is 13 by 12.
Yeah.
And it's a good sized room.
And we got one more here.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's the other bedroom. There's 3 other secondary bedrooms. And this is the room addition. Those 2 walls that you see there were added. The roof line was the same, and so what the owner did is he just enclosed this to give himself a dining room, but it could be a gym, could be a kid's playroom. Lock him in and keep an eye on him.
Yeah, no kidding. Office, whatever makes sense to you. Always nice to have that extra space. So, Laszlo, are you going to be holding this home open?
Yes, thank you for asking a question.
Sure.
On Saturday from 1 to 4.
Awesome. So they're going to come see you this Saturday, this beautiful home in Carlsbad. Anything you want to add about the area that it's situated in?
Oh, especially the area. It's a great location. We're about a mile from the Carlsbad Lagoon. The biggest attraction is that we're less than a quarter mile to Valley Middle School and Magnolia Elementary, about 6/10 of the mile to Carlsbad High School, and less than a mile and a quarter to the beach, and Carlsbad, old Carlsbad Village with the train station and the shops and restaurants and nightlife.
Anything else?
That's only 2 miles away. Yeah, you can walk or ride your bike to those places.
What I'm hearing is prime location, you guys.
Yeah.
So come check out Laszlo's property this Saturday. You said 1 to 4?
Yes.
Awesome.
Thanks,
well,
Claire.
thanks so much for being here, Laszlo. You've got a good one.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you next time.
All right,
cool.
bye.
So this Saturday, 1 to 4, Laszlo is going to be holding that open. If you'd like to find out more information, we are commenting the direct links to the property below. So you can find out more information as well as contact Laszlo directly.